Trump's tariffs have been making headlines, but what do they mean for e-commerce businesses like yours? With costs rising by up to 25%, it's time to find out and get ahead of the curve. So in this video, I'll be going over the details and giving you strategies to keep your stores thriving. My name's Alex if you're new, and without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Now let's start by talking about the effect that the Trump tariffs are going to have on ecom and what that's going to do to you as a seller. Now right away, we're seeing some new tariffs being rolled out on countries like Mexico, Canada, and China. And these tariffs are ranging from 10 to 25%, all increasing the price of imported goods. So for example, a $10 product from China now incurs an additional $2 fee, costing $12 total. And while this seems like such a small change, this will definitely eat into your margins. And you might have to increase your prices as a result, but this will lower your demand if you have price-sensitive consumers. And most dropshipping brands do. Now, some businesses might shift to new suppliers in countries that aren't affected by these tariffs like Vietnam or India, but in the process, you're going to see a lot of supply chain disruptions. And as a result, prices will increase and so will shipping times. So if you want to avoid the negative effects of these tariffs, I recommend switching to a supplier that has local production, like many of these print-on-demand platforms you see. Now let's talk about why print-on-demand is actually a great alternative over dropshipping in 2025. Especially with these new tariffs. With Trump's tariffs raising the cost for dropshippers, print-on-demand becomes a great option because it actually avoids these tariffs entirely by working with localized suppliers. And as a result, you're getting much faster shipping because you can sell directly in the US market without shipping from China. Now with print-on-demand, you can create your own unique products that nobody else is selling. And because of this exclusivity, you have a higher perceived value. You can charge much higher prices. Just like many of the mainstream companies you see out there, the more unique and less available something seems, the more willing people are to pay for it. And these print-on-demand suppliers allow you to create brandable, unique products, not seen anywhere else. You can also take advantage of this new AI revolution because you're seeing many of these new AI tools out there pumping out print-on-demand designs. And you can test new designs that would have took days to create and hundreds of dollars to outsource. And print-on-demand is more than just custom t-shirts and hoodies. Because as you guys know, unique, custom branded products will beat any traditional AliExpress product any day. And while most dropshippers are selling generic, mass-produced products that anybody can get on AliExpress, print-on-demand sellers can create exclusive custom-made designs. You can build a real brand that your customers resonate with. You can charge higher prices like we already mentioned because these products are exclusive and not found anywhere else. They're very easy to customize and sell on your own store. I'll show you a quick example. So I'll go ahead and log into my Printful account and I'll select product catalog, and you can see all the different products offered by Printful. You have men's and women's clothing as well as youth. You have your accessories like backpacks, shoes, phone cases, tumblers. You have home and living where you can create custom mugs, pillows, blankets, canvases, you can create hats, and so much more. So let's go on accessories and see all the different products that are offered on here. Scroll down, you can see we have tote bags, phone cases, backpacks, laptop covers, socks, embroidery patches, pins, mouse pads, coolers, and so much more. I like this little backpack right here. Let's go ahead and use this for a design. So you guys can see all the details right here. It's starting at $32.95. You guys can actually save a little bit by joining Printful Growth, and you can get it shipped to the United States in just 9 to 12 days. So let's say you found a t-shirt that you like and you want to create your own custom design on it. Well, right away, you can see that you can get this t-shirt for $21.95 or only $16 if you sign up for Printful Growth, and you can get it delivered to anywhere in the US in just 9 to 12 days. So if you guys want to customize this design and make it unique, you can go ahead and select Create Product Template right here, and you can customize everything to do with this t-shirt. You can change the stitch color, you can upload your own designs, you can add text, clip art, you can look at some of their templates, use some of their premium themes. Like look at all these designs down here that they already provide to you. You also have your quick designs down here so you can create something that's custom and unique. And you guys can actually upload your own designs right here. So you guys can see I added my own little graphic. This was actually an old Printful account I used during the lockdowns. So this was actually a design that I sold a couple years ago. So you guys can actually click upload and upload some of your own designs. So for example, I added one of my logos onto the front right here. We can go ahead and scale it to our liking. You can rotate it, crop it, remove any backgrounds, do anything you need to make this look good. And you can go ahead and save it to your templates right here. You can rename it, anything that you'd like to, and you can add it to your store in one click by clicking this button right here. All you need to do is go ahead and connect your Shopify account, and it's that easy. This is just an old account that I used a couple years ago, so I don't have any connected stores. But if I did, this product would be live on my store right now, ready to be sold. Now, besides that, you have all sorts of unique and trending products that you can sell. You can create custom stickers, mugs, flags, water bottles, calendars, canvases, yard signs, and so much more. And Printful will connect with top platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or wherever you're selling. So this time, let's actually go ahead and design a mug instead. Just go ahead and select the mug you want right here. You can select the color you want to work with. You guys can see all the details for this mug right here. You can get it in 2 different sizing options. They're selling it for $8.95. You can get it delivered in just 5 to 8 days within the US. And you guys can see all of their different mock-ups over here. So let's go ahead and customize it. So once again, you can upload your own designs there, or you can start working with some of their quick designs or some of their premium themes over here. For example, if you guys are scrolling through this list and you see one that really catches your attention, something that you really like, go ahead, click it, add it to your mug. We can click our mock-up and see what it looks like right here. I'll go back to my design. We'll remove that. And I'll go ahead and just add my Ecom Advantage logo once more. We'll go ahead and look at the mock-up for that and see what it looks like. And when you guys are happy with the mug that you created, you can see all these different mock-up pictures down here that you can use on your website. You can use these to promote your product on your website, in your ads, on your social media pages, anywhere that you want to. You can go ahead and save that to your templates and upload that to your store. It's never been easier to create custom-made products like this to sell online. Printful makes the design and the delivery process seamless, so you only have to focus on what matters, making sales. Now, another reason print on demand might be better than dropshipping is because in 2025, platforms are cracking down on dropshippers. Platforms like Shopify, Facebook, and TikTok Shop are tightening the regulations on dropshipping due to low quality products and long delivery times. And on the other hand, these products tend to have very high refund rates. And if you're getting a lot of chargebacks, these platforms don't want to support you. So when you have local fulfillment, you have better quality products, and you also have faster shipping, which means you're getting less refunds. So overall, print on demand is easier to build a sustainable long-term brand than just chasing the latest dropshipping product. So overall, dropshipping is becoming riskier, more expensive, and harder to scale. But print on demand is here to stay. So don't get caught up in the Trump tariffs and start preparing your business today. Transition your production to print on demand, and that way you can stay ahead of your competition with uniquely branded products. And like I already mentioned, I'll go ahead and leave a link for Printful down below in case you want to get started with them. Trump's tariffs should serve as a wake-up call. But that's everything you need to know about navigating those tariffs if you want to start your own e-commerce business in 2025. I'll go ahead and link Printful down below in case you want to get started with them. And if this video helped you in any way, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. I have a ton of helpful resources linked down below to help you guys get started. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.